Right guys, welcome back. This is the power supply that we're going to be using in this fifth system. As you can see, it's a gigabyte, 80 bronze plus 650 watts. Super powerful. Enough to upgrade in the future if you need to. And that's all the cables that come with it. So this power supply ended up costing me 30 UK pounds. Of course it is second hand, it's used, but it's in good condition. It's absolutely super clean. Comes with everything. It's practically brand new. Well, even the cable's not been taken out of the box. I think the seller said that he bought it but never used it. So I'll use it for him. So once I've installed that in, I'll show you. Once it's in there, it's just simple and easy. See you back in a bit. Right guys, basically it's just some 3 screws or 4 screws in there. And that's your power supply installed. Oh. And that's what that looks like so far. So we're going to just tidy the cables, and we'll be back when that's tidy. We'll install the SSD in the hard drive. We'll put a fan in the back, and then we should be ready to go. Right guys, you can see the power supply's in now. Now we're just going to install the cables for here. That's for the front panels, on and off. USB free, everything. Okay, so once we've installed that, we'll let you know. Right guys, I know we were supposed to be wiring these in, but I'm going to just leave them for now. What I'll talk to you about is the hard drive. It's a Satan hard drive, 500 gigabyte Seagate. And we have a SanDisk solid state drive, and that is 128 gig. So we're going to be installing these 2 hard drives, and then we're going to do all the wiring up. So we'll see you back. Right guys, we've installed the fan. We've wired all the switches in. Power supply, SSD, the hard drive. All wired up. Just got to install the graphics card, and the graphics card that we're using is the GTX 580. It's a juicy card. As you can see, it requires an 8-pin and a 6-pin power, which is going to be provided from that 8-pin and 6-pin power. So we'll see you once we've installed the graphics card. Right guys, everything's installed in now. This board doesn't support USB 3, so we couldn't plug that in. That's a side panel. Gonna get rid of all these stickers. So that's it for now, guys. And next video is installing Windows. But this PC is ready to go now. Thumbs up if you like this video. Share with your friends. If you learned something, that's good. If you haven't, well, that's good as well. So we'll see you the next time. Bye for now.